I have a very interesting guest. I have Richard Breed the Fourth, correct?
That's right.
From Bowditch and Dewey Attorneys. Hi, Richard. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your practice, and we'll go from there.
All right. So I work at Bowditch and Dewey. I'm in the Trust and Estates practice, and our focus is helping privately held companies and their owners plan for estate planning and succession planning of their business.
Want to expand upon that?
Sure. So in the individual side, for individual estate planning, we work with wills, trusts, and other gifting strategies to help clients manage the estate tax burden and pass wealth to the next generation.
Now, I'm involved with the Family Business Association. I don't want to get myself in trouble, but I know there's another law firm with the same name on the mantle, and that's not the firm you're at.
Tarlow, Breed, Hart, and Rogers, yes.
Yeah.
It's no coincidence. That's my father, Rick Breed III.
Yes.
And it's where I got my training, my start, and I just finished my LLM at Boston University and was grateful to accept an offer at Bowditch and Dewey.
Interesting that you'd move over, but you wanted to get experience at the non-family firm.
That's right. I think it's family businesses are there's a chance to grow in there, but it's also an opportunity to expand your wings and get some experience otherwise.
Great. So there's a lot going on in the estate planning area. You want to touch a couple of the hot topics that you've been talking about lately?
Sure. One thing I'll talk about is in 2013 we finally had some clarity and resolution of the estate tax laws. For the past 3 years, there's been uncertainty on which way the laws were going to go. So in 2013, we now know that we have a $5 million estate and gift tax exemption, which is indexed for inflation. And so in 2013, that means each person can give $5.25 million tax-free, whether during their life or on their death. And
is it better to give or to receive?
Definitely to receive. It's good if you're in a problem where you have $5.25 million to give. That's a good problem. So that gave us some certainty. It also gave us a new feature called portability, which is prior to this, each person was only allowed to have their individual estate tax exemption. Now, if you're married and you only have $2 million and you don't use your additional $3.25 million of exemption, you can pass that to your surviving spouse so that your surviving spouse has his or her own $5.25 million plus the balance of whatever you don't use.